Gallery Furniture has grab-and-go lunches 10 to 7 every day, 10 in the morning to 7 at night. Come by and get a free lunch for young people, for senior citizens, veterans, everybody come get a free lunch. Don't forget, Gallery Furniture is open until 10 p.m. every night. Fantastic furniture. Buy it today. Gallery Furniture delivers free in 3 or 4 hours. Free lunch, fantastic furniture delivered free in 3 or 4 hours after you buy it. Gallery Furniture is here to serve you and serve Houston today, and things are going to get better.